Yes, hi, hello. Uh, in this video, I will show a few inconsistencies on my table with varchar columns instead of float. I already created another table with float values and I compared a few records, and I will show you later that some records are not as it should be. This is the main report, which is accessing a varchar column on a SQL table, and do the trans then I do the transformation for decimal number on the semantic model settings of the report. Uh, yeah, this is the varchar column. This is the table with varchar columns, and this is the table with float columns. And as you can see here, we have a few records. We have a few diverging records. For the year 2002, the max and minimum are not as it should be. This is the varchar table, and this is the float table. Let's say varchar table and float table, which is table with varchar columns and table with float columns. Yes, as we can see here, the max and minimum number are not the ones it should be when we use the float uh, columns. And of course, as we can see here as well, the values are there. Let's see here, 22 dot something something, uh, 2002 March 15. If we do a select on the varchar table 2002 March 15, the value is there, but 2002, yes, 2002. As you can see here, we are getting different values for minimum and maximum, or low or high. Well, once again, the low and the minimum and max numbers are not the correct ones on our varchar columns. And as we can see here, if we do a select specifically on that date, specifically with this sticker, the value is there, is here, but we are not getting the expected values on 2002. And on another, yes, this one. In this query, we see other diverging results. This is very interesting. Uh, I have here temp table for stocks, then temp table for stocks float, do some transformations, and then I join both together, and then I compare. I join by ticker and year, and then I compare the minimum and max for each table. So I have here quite a yes, quite some diverging values. My the report is being handled by the refresh is being handled by incremental refresh, as you can see here. Partitions. Every day is being refreshed incrementally. Yeah, all the partitions. Nice. I already published the new report. I already published the new semantic model with the float columns, which is this one, float. Yeah. The refresh is completed. Oh, this will be also incremental refresh. And yeah, order by. Oh yes, I think I ordered by minimum equal. Yeah, that's correct. So we have several diverging values here. Now let's, or I already published the float semantic model. Now let's change the source of the main report. I'm opening the file. I will open the file which is live connected to the Varchar table. There you go. As we can see here, look, connected live to the Power BI semantic model stocks incremental in finance. Sure. And now let's just, yeah, this one, connect to the float one. Connecting. Let's see the query. I have here several temp tables, which in the end I also drop them all. On the first CT, I grab the minimum and maximum by ticker and by year, and I do the same for the other table. Float somewhere here, and then here I join both temp tables by ticker and by year. Yeah, that's it. And then we have this one. Let's check the PBI file. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. It's already connected live to stock slot. That's it. As simple as that. It's already pulling data from the float table. And then let's just publish it. Yes, let's publish always on top so we can keep any existing bookmarks. Finance. Because it's a live connected report, it's a very light one. That's it. Now, perhaps, yeah, perhaps, no, it might already be reflected to the new. Oh, look, yes, I didn't refresh yet, so let's. I didn't refresh the page yet, so it is still connected to the report. It's still connected to the old one. Now, as I refresh the page, we can see, or at least we should see, the report. No. Oh. Oh, I see. I get here two reports stocks and stocks. All my links. No, I don't know what to do here in this case. I was hoping it would be published on top of the stocks of the existing one. Oh. I don't know. I don't know. I will get back to that. Thanks.